Hey, so I'm here in Blender 4.1 and I am modeling a barrel, right? Just kind of a cartoony, fun barrel exercise. So the challenge for me is that I have these big gaps, right, between my planks of the barrel. How do I scale them or inflate them here in Blender 4.1? So what I could do is I can select my wood part of the barrel. I can press the tab key to go into the edit mode. And then what I can do is I can press A to select all the points, and then I can press S to start scaling them. But instead of just scaling them, by the way, if you scale something and you want to go back, you just right click. But if I press Alt S instead of just S, that's going to allow me to kind of inflate or deflate the planks as I like. So for example, if I thought the gaps were a little bit too large, I can inflate them and just simply click. And now if I press tab to go back out, you can see that I successfully kind of sealed all those gaps. All right, so that would be the process of inflating geometry in Blender. All right, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in our next one.